Kasabay ng pagsirit ng presyo ng langis ang pangamba na magmamahal din ng mga pangunahing bilihin. Kaugnay niyan ay makakausap natin ngayon DTI Secretary Cristina Roque. Magandang gabi po sa inyo, Secretary Roque.
Magandang gabi, Corina. Thank you for having me.
So ano po ang nakikita ninyong role o iniatang na po sa inyong papel ng inyong ahensya under the state of national energy emergency?
Yes, actually, ang pinaka-role namin is to really strictly enforce and monitor that we make sure that the prices of basic necessities and prime commodities that the DTI controls is followed strictly by the groceries and supermarkets. So, nagmo-monitor po kami dito on a daily basis.
I see. The last time we spoke, ang sabi po ninyo, meron na pong mga nagsigurado sa ating lahat, sa publiko at sa gobyerno na in 6 months ay hindi po sila magtataas ng presyo. Hindi po ba? Ganun pa rin po ba?
Hindi po. What I said was there will be no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities up to April 16.
Oh, only up to April 16.
Up to April 16. And then from there, actually, every week nag-uusap po kami. So, from our talks next week will determine what will be the next moves of the manufacturers. But
So,
for now, we assure the public that there will be no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities up to April 16. Yung iba po said up to the end of April, no? But for now, for everything, every product in the basic necessities and prime commodity list that DTI monitors, there will be no price increase up to April 16.
So, paano po mamomonitor lahat yan? Pwede po bang magsumbong or may hotline po ba ang DTI para kung may nananamantala?
Yes, they can call 1-384 or they can email us at reporttosec@dti.gov.ph and definitely we will act on it. We have DTI offices in 18 regions, from Region 1 to Region 18, and we have a department that is really, yun lang po ang ginagawa ng departamento na yon, is to check every day and to monitor and to enforce and to make sure that the prices set by the DTI for these basic necessities and prime commodities are followed strictly. Actually, Corina, there's a list of all these products. They can get it from the DTI website. They can also get it from the social media of DTI. And nakapaskil din po ito sa supermarkets and groceries. So our consumers have a guide kung magkano talaga yung presyo nitong basic necessities and prime commodities na nasa list po ng DTI.
Yung mga sakop po na produkto na hindi po dapat tumaas ang presyo hanggang at least April 16, ano po?
Yes, opo, tama po yun, Corina.
So pag sinabi nating basic commodities and necessities, bigas, ano pa po ang mga halimbawa?
Actually, hindi kasama yung bigas, no? That's the corned beef, the meatloaf, the kape, their dairy products. There's also cup noodles. Meron din tong detergent, laundry soap. Meron din condiments. Meron din, of course, milk, sardinas. Actually, 205 SKUs po ito. So it's best for them. And there's bottled water. Then there's also Pinoy Pandesal, Pinoy Tasty, coffee, so soy sauce, toilet soap. Madami po ito. So this is a list of 205 SKUs. So it's best for them to know kung magkano talaga yung prices na sinet ng DTI para they are aware kung magkano po ang mga presyong ito.
So puwera po ang bigas?
Hindi po kasama ang bigas. We will defer to DA regarding the prices of rice.
Okay, ano po ang naghihintay na parusa sa mga lalabag?
Yes, of course, depende po sa offense, no? But may parusa talaga para sa kanila. We also have a department in DTI that actually na dito sila paparusahan or dito ipapataw sa kanila yung parusa na dapat for the offense that they committed, for not following the actually the prices set by the DTI for the basic necessities and prime commodities.
So kung kayo po ang magpapayo, huling tanong na lamang po, kayo po ba ay magsasabi halimbawa sa ordinaryong tao na kailangan bumili na ng bumili ngayon?
Actually, they should not panic, they should not hoard because we have enough food for the people. In fact, DA has also told the public that we have enough supply of food. So there is no need to panic and no need to hoard. Actually, last week, pumunta rin kami sa isang manufacturing plant, yung Century, and pinakita doon. And sila mismo nagsabi, they have enough supply.
Ayun, yun nga lang, pagkatapos ng April 16, mas mahal na.
We will be constantly talking to the manufacturers. So from then, we will inform the public kung ano yung naging usapan namin. But for now, there's no price increase for basic necessities and prime commodities. Yun lang yung nasa listahan ng DTI because we have to be aware there's so many products also being sold in the market. Pero merong 205 SKUs po na ang presyo ay kinokontrol po ng DTI.
Maraming salamat sa inyong oras, DTI Secretary Cristina Roque.
Thank you, Corina.
Manatiling nakatutok sa Bilyonaryo News Channel. Sumubaybay sa aming social media accounts at mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube channel para sa mga bago at eksklusibong balita.